Hi folks, Robert here again with more Revit training, and we are on our small church project. And today I wanted to talk about wiring. And we need to go and look a little bit more and go a little deeply into our electrical settings because I've been getting questions about the wiring and everything here. So here, I think I can pull this down. Yep, actually you can. These are our electrical panel, and these are our settings. This little arrow here. So I want to hit this arrow. Okay, now this is this is the first. Let me see. I'm gonna go to wiring first here. So if you look at wiring, this specifies all your wiring settings like the temperature, gap crossing, and these are your tick marks here. Basically, sometimes these have to be loaded in by families, but this one's already got it. And then here you want to show tick marks, and that's just basic information. Now the next thing, we want to look at wire sizes here. So these are all of your wire sizes based on AWG. That would be American Wire Gauge, and they got a pretty significant number here. So basically, what happens is you got your number 12, and then you go all the way to your 4 knot. Those are basically what they use here, up to a 1/2 inch wire diameter. These are your diameters here. Okay, so and then you have your different things here. Like you can change and create these settings. You can create add a material here, and you can go and add temperature. You can delete these items here, and you can add installation types, and then you have your pull downs, and so you can see all the different temperatures and different materials. So that's basically how that works with your wiring sizes. Okay, so then here after that, we want to go and look at our connection factor here. Now the connection factor here basically is here you see your temperature, and I'm sorry, these are correction factors, my bad. So choosing the right correction factor, the right capacity. And so this is the correction factor with the temperature. I'm not an engineer, I don't know too much about that. And then we'll go look at our ground conductors. So these are the conductor sizes here. And these will show the number of conductors. And then we have different things like duty cycles. And then here we want to go and look at our wiring types. So these are the different type of wiring. These are default. So here we got copper, aluminum is a default. These are copper. And then, here we can always add and delete. So I'm gonna just delete that. So basically that's what's happening here with all your wiring types. And then here we look at our voltage definitions. This is basically, we looked at this over in the other, I think we did this over in the other project. So now I'm gonna, basically that's how this all works. So these are your different settings, and these are the, and then you got distribution system. This is basically the panel that we'll be using. You got a 120, a 208, and these are the phases, and these are the wires, and this is the voltages, the low voltage and the loaded voltage, the higher voltage. Okay, now next here we want to go, and I'm going to cancel this out. And then here we're into our power plan here. And so now what we do here to wire these guys up and basically make a circuit. I did this before, do it one more time here. You want to go here, and I want to select, let's select these 4 here. And then I want to associate it with this to my panel, with this LP1. And then here, if I tab this and I select this, You can go and zoom in here and we can pick the type of wire arc we want. I want to select that one. And there it is. So then again, I'll do these others. Pretty simple and straightforward. Just hit control. I'm gonna just do this room right here. I don't want to put too many on one load. Let's see. I'll grab, yeah, that's it for now. Now we can remove these. I'm gonna just back out of that one for a minute. Just back up out of that one here. So we'll take that guy. And this is our home run, and these are our tick marks here. Okay, so now let's go and let's add this control. It'll be good. And then I'm going to go to my assign it to a panel. And there it is. There's our circuit. Then I'll hit the arc. Now let's do a power for this. Probably should have included that with this. Yeah, let me undo this. I'm gonna break this up a little simpler here for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go. Yeah, let's just do this like this. Control. I'm not an electrician, as you all can see. I wonder if I can just add these. There's only a few. Go grab them. It might overload it. It might be too much. Okay, and then I want to associate that with a panel. Okay, what's going on here? Uh-oh, my bad. Grab these. This is for the power. It might have been a bit too much for it. And that's okay. I want to put them to LP1. Okay. So that's pretty simple, straightforward, guys. That's how you would do this. And now I'm going to go and get this room here, this little area. This is just for power. So I just want to run through this, how this electrical settings work and the different wiring. So let me see, control this. Control that, and I'll go add a panel here. LP1. There you go. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Just had a question about this. I know I just popped this stuff and did it and didn't really explain what's going on, but that's how wiring works in Revit. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. Everybody be safe. Oh, Mr. Two over there. And have a great holiday. Bye y'all. See you next video. Please subscribe.